Hi guys. So this is our day 1 at Matimatjatji hiking trail. I'm with my dear friends here. This is Mutu.
Yeah, you know.
Yes.
You know, TP.
And Benji. Yeah.
Get cheap.
Yes.
And
The other one not get it, Jago.
go.
So yeah guys, rena mela thaba ya Matimatjatji. Ro bala ka kwa. Pakane. Hey, pakane. Woo! Rona mela bana ba kgoshi. So we have like 7 kilometers to hike. So yeah, we just left now around what time? Past 5. Is it past 5 now? Yeah, we just left around past 5. So it will take us approximately 5 hours because of the steep. Yeah, so guys. So guys, yeah, I'll keep you updated and posted. Tata. Okay guys, this is our first interval. Yeah, as you can see, people are already sweating. It's the first mountain that we just climbed, and there are 2 more. We're going there.
Hallelujah.
We're going there. Yes, there's a trigonometric beacon there. That's where we're gonna camp. So for now, we still have a long way to go, guys. As you can see, other kids are tired. Yeah, guys, doing this. Tata. We continue.
I'm very much humbled. I thought I could do this, but no, I can't, guys. I'm buggered up, I'm gone. But anyway, I've started and I'll finish it. Let's get going. Tata. Hallelujah.
Gosh. Okay, guys. This is our second lap on top of the second mountain, almost. And Mpilashu, we should check it out. Yeah, so hi, wara.
It's real.
So Rakwa. Okay, camera I won't show you go but Rakwa, Rosanjari. All right. Okay guys, lena la bona re le susana le aswara mola ke Samanko smelter ke smelter ke yeah Samanko smelter, and then Moki South 2 Mudiko mine. Yeah, so yeah guys, this is the current situation. It's a little bit dark now. We're still going there. We left with 5 kilometers. We're doing this. Aha.
Yo Solomon Yo Solomon.
So yeah guys, we have about how many hours hiking now?
4.8.
But it was supposed to be 1. These guys are lazy. They must stop it.
4.8K.
Like they're delaying us. This thing is 30 minutes.
What the hell? Beautiful. We are on top of the mountain, still going up. So yeah guys, we have arrived at the campsite. As you can see, everyone is pitching their tents. Okay guys, so it's day 2 today. We just woke up. We're still tired guys, but yeah, other kids are still sleeping. So yeah, Matimatjatji day 2. Aglovenchi more camping one. Go to Matava, like guys. Up the mountain. So campsite there na moki. Hore moya is kaba munch. Pakaning kimola. All right.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Tame, Baba.
Le guy Pasha.
Rona ke day 2
Day 2 ngwana money.
How was day 1?
Yes, it was very humbling. The whole thata me go ra ke mara ka moga jo fa re fihlile. Mo bile boima. Yeah.
All right. Ngwara hi, how's it?
Good then.
Una tia thao.
Hey,
We no bidisha mehlaro wa. Baba health.
mixi ga matlapane. Ogusha. Ile mo go.
Gore o khone gore mafahla a bule ga botse.
Then ke khone lo thega tha.
E be le bja mabana.
Yo.
Yo ite.
Eh. Ampa ba plus ka tsoga.
Muti.
Hi Mudu.
How are you?
Fine sha.
Good.
Na ona thaba mo batho wa tswa fa ke di buju ba.
You must stop it.
Hey Benji, stop being lazy. Stop it now. Ona thaba mo.
Asenga swetha.
Bolela re le mo. Abatho ba bone hore na re tlile jwa mo. It's fine. Ntwa fisha ba mo.
Mariega.
Ntwa fisha batho ba.
Okay guys, this is day 2 Matimatjatji hiking. Yeah, if you like tsalela kana mo as you can see, re ka ra muana, re sa pagane. Baba. Apa wana le mo. So guys, we're feeling the team. Artin snap of way. Let's just snap.
Hola.
Awe. Bona wa nkwishisha ke.
I want to feel wara.
Bona. Ornage adventure mo. Ornage adventure.
My Lord. There is a victory. Why more?
Sorry, I don't know.
Victory.
Awa, before talaga mo le. La kwisisa ra la pila o ne choice. Mokaba no ro kana. Bona fen. Ba mi ka ba ke bona ba kana me. What's up flexible? What did you fast? This is how you rest. Open up at Okay guys, so yeah, it's our last day today and we are going back. It's very nice, very nice. We had fun, we experienced all different kind of weathers, and yeah, our minds are refreshed. We are ready to take on the world. All right guys, let me love you and leave you. Tata means goodbye.